Hi, I'm Chris with TEXA, and this is the Konfort 780, and today we are going to be going over the maintenance and service kit for this machine. The maintenance kit for this machine includes a filter, vacuum pump oil, and a little box of grommets and the mechanical filter itself. Now the reason why you're going to need this kit, if you look at the front of the Konfort, you'll see the status bars here. If that filter status bar goes down into the red, you'll need to replace the filter. And then you can see below it, you'll have the vacuum pump status. And once that bar has been depleted as well, you'll need to change the oil on the vacuum pump. All right, so now we'll be going to filter replacement. So if you take a look down here, there's a little door. You can just open that up. The filter is located in here. You can unscrew the filter, screw it back on. Now, one important thing to take note of is the filter code itself is actually located on the filter. So before installing, you'll need to write that down because you'll need to enter it in to reset the filter itself on the machine. And now we can go into the vacuum pump. So the vacuum pump, the drain plug is located underneath the machine. You can open the back door here to get easy access to the fill plug. Now, while you're filling it, you can take a look on the right-hand side, and there's going to be a mesh port where you'll be able to see the sight glass for the vacuum pump. So you can make sure that you're accurately pouring in the oil and not overfilling it. All right, and that is going to be the procedure for doing maintenance on the Konfort 780. Thank you for watching.